Good morning, student. Welcome to Hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. We were continuing pattern in mathematics class 6, chapter 1. This is today we picked up some questions from page number 8 to 9. Figure it out. You will have the book. Just refer the book. See, it is saying, can you find a similar pictorial explanation for why adding counting numbers up and down 1 plus 2 plus 1. So see, first question is like this: 1 equal to 1, adding up and down 1 plus 2, फिर again 1, backward counting 1 2 फिर से 1, तो it becomes 2 1 3 plus 1 4, फिर again 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 4 के बाद backward counting 3 के बाद 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 के बाद 2 1, it becomes 9, फिर ये जाएगा ऐसे सिमिलर वे में. ओके, इट विल गो एट. सो 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3 प्लस 4, 4 के बाद बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग 3 प्लस 2 प्लस 1, ये जाएगा 16. ओके, सो इट विल कीप गोइंग. सो दिस बिकम्स, सो वी सी एडिंग अप. सो ऐसे करके व्हेन यू add up the counting numbers up and down, you will get these square numbers. So you will get these 1 का 1 square. ये किसका स्क्वायर होता है? 2 का स्क्वायर. This becomes 3 का स्क्वायर. This becomes 4 का स्क्वायर. So you get the square number whenever you. So so thus we see that adding up odd numbers gives square numbers. Okay, odd numbers बोलो, counting numbers बोलो, ये always gives square number. Okay, so next question was question number 2 is by imagining a large version of your picture or drawing it partially as needed, can you see what will be the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus डॉट 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 99 प्लस 100 प्लस, फिर बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग है 99 प्लस 98 प्लस डॉट 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 3 प्लस 2 प्लस 1. क्या होगा इसका वैल्यू? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस? सो सी, दिस इज वेरी इजी. सी, यू सी द एवर पैटर्न. 1 का 1, इट इज गोइंग अप टू 2, then again 1, it is going up to maximum number 3, then backward counting. It is going maximum number up to 4, then backward counting. It is going maximum number up to 100, then backward counting. ये backward है. This is the backward counting. Backward counting. This is the forward. तो maximum number is 100. So if you see what is the maximum number here? 2, तो 2 का स्क्वायर. maximum number 3, 3 का स्क्वायर. maximum 4, 4 का स्क्वायर. So maximum number, what is the maximum number is equal to 100. So it becomes, तो sum हो जाएगा इसका 100 का स्क्वायर means 100 into 100 means 10,000. So this will be the answer for this question, 10,000. So the next question is, which sequence do you get when you start to add all one sequence up, and what sequence do you get when you add all one sequence up and down? So 1 का 1, फिर 1 में 1 ऐड किया 2, फिर 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, like this. Okay, like this 3, फिर again 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4. So like this you are getting 1 2 3 4 and so on. Okay, so you will get so many. So what sequence? Sequence is counting numbers. Sequence you are getting 1 2 3 4. These are the counting numbers. These are counting numbers. So these are the counting numbers you get, and it is saying adding all one sequence up and down. Now adding up and down. So adding up and down all ones का sequence, if you'll add them all up and down, what sequence will you get? So adding all ones sequence up and down, first one is always 1, keep like this. So 1 से 1 पे गया, फिर से 1 से 1 पे बैक आया, 3, फिर 1 यहां तक गया, फिर 3 तक गया, फिर 1, फिर 1, 5, so on. तो क्या सीक्वेंस बना? What is the sequence you get? 1, 3, 5, all odd numbers, all odd numbers. So you are getting all odd number sequence. So this is what this is the question. Next question number 4 is, what is the question number 4? Question number 4 is, which sequence do you get when you start to add counting numbers up? Can you give a small or pictorial representation? Counting numbers up. Question number 4. Adding counting numbers up. Adding counting numbers up. So always 1 ka 1 counting numbers. Second number is 1 plus 2, 3. Third number 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 to 5 plus 1 6 हो गया. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. अब बोल रहा है एडिंग काउंटिंग नंबर्स अप, नॉट डाउन, अप. 4 3 7 2 9 1 10 10. So these are the sequence you are getting. So on. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. So on. Okay, ये so on चलता रहेगा. Okay, so what are these number? 1 3 6 10 15. So sequence is 1 3 6 10 15, so on. These are triangular number. Okay, these are the triangular number. So this is the sequence you are getting, triangular numbers. So if you have to get the pictorial representation of triangular number, so 1 का 1, 3 का 1 2 3 triangular, 6 का 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this 6. Okay, so you have to draw like this. फिर 10 का 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. This is the 10. Okay, so triangular numbers 4 3 2 1, 3 2 1 2 1 1. So 15 similar way में 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 5 4 9 3 12 2 14 1 15, like this. These from the triangular number. So this is the pictorial representation of the same. So this is all about these questions. We'll do the question number 5 onwards in the next session. So please keep watching the channel. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much.